If they have 4 electrons, they try to lose 2 electrons and come to 2. If they have, for example, 6 electrons, they try to gain 2 to become 8, because this 2 and 8 is very stable. You got my point what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
So carbon has an atomic number of 6. And how many valence electrons are there?
Uh, Valence electron. I
Like I
can't.
am saying, electronic configuration. What is the atomic number of carbon?
6.
6. So how many electrons are there?
The number of.
Atomic number
Oh,
is equal to the number of electrons.
okay.
Atomic number is equal if any element has atomic number 20, which means there are 20 electrons. Any element has atomic number 30, means there are 30 electrons. 40, there are 40 electrons. Any has atomic number 5, which means there are how many electrons?
5.
5 electrons. Since carbon has atomic number 6, so there are 6 electrons. And the electronic configuration is this: 1s2, 2s2, and 2p2.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
Now the question here arises, how many electrons? There is another concept known as valence shell. Okay,
Hmm.
valence shell is simply the number of electrons in the outermost shell that
Okay.
are available for bonding.
Okay.
If if any element has 4 electrons in its valence shell, it means the 4 electrons are available for bonding. If any element has 5 electrons in the valence shell, it means 4 electrons are available for bonding. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Since carbon has the atomic number of 6, and out of the 6 electrons, already 2 electrons are there present in the first shell. So how many remain after that?
Um, 6 are present, so there'll be 4.
So there will be 4
4.
electrons. Good. Now, in other words, we can say that carbon has 4 electrons in the outermost shell, or that we also called as valence shell. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
For example, atomic number 1 is hydrogen,
Hmm.
atomic number 2 is helium,
Hmm.
and atomic number 3 is lithium. Lithium has 3 electrons. So what will be its electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s. Yes.
2s2.
No. Lithium has 3 atomic number.